Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up conversion tracking for your own Google Ads campaign. So let's get into it. Under goals, click on summary, and it should take you to this page. So just find this button, create conversion action. There are many ways to actually track conversions, but for most of my clients and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to track two ways. So the first one is form fills, and the second one is button clicks. And those button clicks are WhatsApp links or link clicks rather, right? And those clicks are on WhatsApp links, right? So let's get into it. Create conversion action, and it should take you to this page. So for form fills, the category which we are going to use isn't any of these. So just click on see all, and as you can see, submit lead form. So just click on that. Okay, once that's done, click on add conversion actions, and I've already installed Google Tag on this website. So I will just click on this. But if you haven't installed Google Tag, you need to do that first. So just click on this, and so for form fills, you could do that in Google Tag Manager, but Google Ads makes it really easy to just do it here without having to leave to Google Tag Manager. So just click on this, enter the URL where the conversion is complete. The event type will be page load, right? URL contains or URL is, and you should have a thank you page. So anytime someone submits a form, the form should redirect them to a thank you page, and that will tell Google that okay, this conversion is complete or this person actually converted, right? So this is the easiest way to just do it. Just URL contains or URL is, right? Anyone will work slash thank you. So this is what it should look like. So if you don't have a thank you page, create one and have your form redirect users to that page when they submit their details, right? And click on this conversion settings, leave it as primary because that is a primary conversion. Conversion name, you can leave it like this or give it a unique name. For value, this is not an e-commerce, this is for lead gen, right? This is not an e-commerce campaign, so don't use a value. Count one, click through, you can leave it like this, right? And just click on done, right? And yeah, after this you can actually test if your conversion is working using this Chrome extension. It's called Google Tag Assistant, right? This is the Chrome extension you can use to test if your conversion is working. So because I am not really creating this conversion, this is just for this tutorial, I won't be able to do this, right? So I'm just going to leave it like that. And yeah, click on done, and that's it for that. All right, now let's track the second conversion method for this tutorial, which is going to be link clicks. So anytime someone clicks a link on your website, it should track as a conversion. Ideally, this link will be a messaging link, maybe WhatsApp or Telegram, whichever link, it will work fine. So same thing, click on create conversion action. And for this, we're actually going to be using Google Tag Manager. So just click on see all. This one should be contact, but it doesn't really matter. It could also be request quotes, but I like to use contacts. Okay, click on add conversion actions, the Google tag, and set up manually using code. Conversion settings, and yeah, leave it as primary. You can change the name. Don't use a value, very important. Leave the remaining like this and click on done. So I am not actually going to click on that because this is actually real accounts and I don't want to be messing with anything. So let me show you how to set it up. So just click on done. Once you click on done, it will take you to the conversion page. right? So just find it, and so I'm just going to use one I've already done before. So this is it. So scroll down, tag setup, and use Google Tag Manager. Right, so I'm going to show you how to set this up in Google Tag Manager. So head on over to your Google Tag Manager, and first thing we're going to do is to create the conversion linker tag. So go to tags, new. Since I've already done it here, I'm not going to go through everything, but as you can see, make sure you add a conversion linker tag and configure it to fire on all of your web pages. Right, so tag configuration, who adds conversion linker, right? Then for triggering all pages. So once you are done, click on save, and don't forget to save the workspace. So I'm just going to discard this because I've already done it. Once you are done, make sure you click on submit this. Right, so I've created the conversion linker, and this is it here. Right, so I've done this before, like I said. So let's create the button click conversion. Right, so again, still on that task, click on new, tag configuration, Google Ads this time, Google Ads conversion tracking. And here is where it gets a bit technical, but it's really easy. So this conversion ID is what we have here. So just copy this and paste here. It should detect it automatically. For conversion label, same thing, paste here, and just leave the remaining settings as default. Then for triggering, click on that. I've already set up a custom trigger for this, but let me show you how to set up a custom one for yourself. So click on new trigger, trigger configuration, just links, since it's link clicks we're tracking. Click on that, and not all, we're not tracking every link click, we want to track some link clicks, right? So click on that. You can leave this to like this. So select a variable, click URL contains or equals to, right? Depends on your own context, and just paste the link whatsapp.com, just for example, but this should be your actual WhatsApp URL. Like that is your WhatsApp link that takes them to your own WhatsApp page, right? So this just a tutorial, obviously. And click on save. Before you click on save, make sure you name your trigger, because this trigger you can use it any other time, right? So save, name your trigger, click on save, click on save again, and submit your workspace, and that should be that. So you have done all these things, but you actually don't know if it's working. Don't worry, I got you. Click on preview, and to take you to the tag assistant troubleshooting page. Just click on connect, and to take you to your website where you can actually test if the tag you installed is working correctly. So go to the page that actually has the link that you want to test, right? Okay, I forgot to mention. So I currently have ad block enabled, right? If you're having any issue, make sure you turn off your ad block. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I should fix that issue. Okay, I think I have disabled my ad block. So let's try that again. Click on preview, new tab, just paste in your URL here. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, connect. All right, so as you can see, it looks like it has started working now. So let's go to that page that has the link that we want to test out. So this page should have it. And yeah, so as you can see on the left, every action you take is going to record here. So let's click on that link and see if it fires. So for now, it hasn't fired. Right, so let's click on the link and see if it actually fires. So this is the link, and so as you can see, it got fired right here. So this will tell us that okay, the tag is installed and is actually working as it should. Right, so this is how you can test if your tag or your conversion tracking is actually working. So yeah, that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below and I'll definitely answer. And if you need help with your own Google Ads campaign, reach out to me by clicking the link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.